Hello friends, I am Divyesh Rajesh More and I am pursuing MBA in Finance Specialization. So today we are discussing one topic that is RBI monetary policy. So first we are discussing introduction of RBI. RBI is a commenced operation on 1st April 1935 and it is nationalized by on 1st January 1949. The headquarters of Reserve Bank of India is situated in Mumbai. Another regional headquarters which is located in Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and New Delhi. RBI control the monetary policy of Indian rupee. So these are the structure of RBI that includes 21 member. One is the governor, under governor 4 deputy governor, in that 2 finance ministry representative, 10 government nominated member and 4 local headquarter director. Next, monetary policy. So what is monetary policy? Monetary policy is the by which monetary authority, it is the authority of country. Generally the central bank control the supply of money in the economy by control it interest rate and reverse repo rate, etc., to maintain the price stability of economy to achieve economic growth. In India, the central monetary authority is the Reserve Bank of India to control the supply and demand of economy. Next, objective of monetary policy. What are the objective? High rate of growth, fuller employment, price stability, healthy balance in BOP balance of payment, maximum output, and develop infrastructure. So these are the objective of monetary policy: to control the inflation of the economy in the country and demand and increase the supply of money, to maintain the supply of money. So what are the instrument of monetary policies? In that, the two types of instrument, quantitative and qualitative. So we are discussing first quantitative. Cash reserve ratio, CRR. CRR is the percentage of bank deposit bank can need to keep the RBI. So other bank can deposit their money with need to keep with RBI. CRR is the instrument the RBI uses to control the liquidity system, to control the inflation system, and the currently CRR rate is 4%. Next, SLR, statutory liquidity ratio. It is a percentage of fund banks need to maintain in the form of liquid asset at any point time. Banks need to maintain this one in the form of government securities, gold, bond, etc., and not in the form of cash. In the form of cash, they are converted into gold and other securities. And currently, SLR rate is 19.5%. Next, bank rate. Bank rate is the rate RBI, which is RBI lend long-term loan to commercial bank. RBI gives loan to commercial bank and charge the rate on that particular loan amount, that is called as bank rate. It is a tool which RBI uses for maintaining money supply. At a time of inflation, at a time of depression, RBI increased the bank rate, and current bank rate is 4.65%. It is also called discount rate. Next, LAF, liquidity adjustment facility. LAF is the indirect instrument of monetary control. It controls flow of money through repo rate and reverse repo rate. Next, qualitative tools. First is margin requirement. Margin refers to the proportion of loan amount which is not financed by bank. A change in margin implies a change in loan of size at a time when RBI increased the loan amount. Next, credit rationing. Under this method, there is a maximum limit to loans and advances that can be made, which the commercial bank cannot exceed. But in that time, the commercial bank cannot take any loans from the RBI. Next, direct action. When all these tools are not work properly, then RBI can take direct action against any commercial bank. Under this method, RBI can impose an action against a bank. Thank you.